Am I really about to cheat on Shopify for TikTok Shop? Stay watching because I'm going to break down all of the pros and cons of both platforms in this video so you get to see my decision at the end. So if you're a business owner watching this or you are looking to start a business very soon, Shopify I always recommend as the go-to platform for you to set up a website and to start selling your products. However, over the past year, I've been seeing the rise of so many brands on TikTok Shop, UK especially. I've not really been able to see the US version of it, but TikTok Shop UK, I've seen the growth of brands that have started from scratch and have managed to scale incredibly just from selling on TikTok Shop. So I did a little bit of digging and I even tested out TikTok Shop UK myself. So you can definitely watch this video and know that both platforms have been trialed and tested. I am a beloved Shopify ambassador. I've been using Shopify for over 3 years now, and you can definitely check out the link for that down below, along with the free trial and 3 months for just £1 per month. I also have a link down below for TikTok Shop too. So stay watching because I'm going to share the pros and the cons of both. First, let's talk about TikTok Shop UK. If you are a business owner, TikTok is a great way for you to get out to millions of people around the world that you wouldn't necessarily get access to just from SEO and Google search from your website. So TikTok here in the UK actually offer a service called TikTok Shop. You can set up your TikTok Shop, which basically is a little shop icon on your profile, your business page, where your followers and people that come across your platform can just click on the shop icon and they can shop the products that you are selling. Now, the thing that's different about TikTok to other platforms like Etsy or eBay or Amazon is that you can sell via live streaming, and you can go live every single day if you want to, a few times a week, and you are able to pin products at the bottom of your lives, similar to what YouTube has now. But within TikTok, when you are going live, they can purchase within the app. That is the amazing thing about TikTok. They do not have to leave the app when they shop from TikTok Shop. You can also tag your products in your content too. So any TikTok videos that you post, if you mention a product, you can tag it down below. Now, whereas Shopify is like a website provider, e-commerce site, so you can set up your own website, which has obviously a home page, a shop page, people check out on your website, you can grab people's email addresses, and you can have a blog on your website. You can track all of your analytics like sales, how many people have landed on your website. So it's completely separate to any kind of social media platform. So let's talk about the pros of TikTok Shop. So pro number one is the fact that there is no monthly fee. With a lot of the e-commerce platforms out there, you have to pay a monthly fee in order to sell on that platform. The basic fee is around £15 a month, I believe. Whereas with TikTok Shop, you don't have to pay anything every single month. You have no subscription fee. It is free for anyone to go on there and start selling. Now, however, they do of course take a fee from every sale you make, and I will share what that fee is and the pros and cons of that later in this video. The next is affiliate marketing. Now, if you are someone who has had a referral program or currently has one via Shopify, or just built your own one using a third-party app, or just you manage it manually, which I have done in the past, it can be tricky trying to kind of contact everyone, pay out everyone. Whereas within TikTok Shop, you can get affiliates that you never have to speak to. They simply sign up to be an affiliate of your product. You don't have to have any communication with them. They will sign up and they can start selling your product without even having to have the product to hand. So if you think about Amazon Associates, which I talk about a lot in my videos as a good way for you to make income on the side, you can create content and talk about a certain product. So if I was to create a TikTok video and talked about this ring light, I could then link to the ring light down below, and then I get a commission every time someone buys that ring light through my link, which is the same with TikTok Shop. You can actually partner with influencers and they can talk about your brand and your product and tag it to their video down below, and then they will gain a commission through that sale. And it's nothing that you have to do on the back end. It all comes out within TikTok's back end, like everything is managed by them, and that is a huge pro when it comes to working with influencers. The next is the live function and also the video function. So you can tag products both live and in videos, which are easy to click, and they can just click on the product, it pops up and shows more details about how you can shop. Live is amazing, but within TikTok, think of like Instagram Live, with QVC. So a lot of people go onto TikTok live and they sell their products. So you will see in my past shorts and video that I recently set up a TikTok shop area, and I have my logo in the background, I have my products in the background, and that is specifically for live selling. So when people come onto my live, they see my branding, they see my products, and it's easier for me to talk about what I'm selling and for them to go ahead and buy because they can see everything visually. I have found this to be amazing because you can speak to your customers, you can speak to new cold audiences that have never seen you before, and when they see you using this product, the social proof is out of this world because they're seeing it in real time. They can ask you a question. For example, the shampoo brush. If they're like, oh, do you have this in another color? I can be like, yeah, I do. Grab it, show them the different color and tell them how much it is, and they can buy it and they can go ahead and buy it then. Whereas if they came onto your Shopify store and it wasn't clear, you didn't make it clear on your website about the colors or something, they would have to either go on another social platform and DM you and wait for your reply, or they would have to email you and wait for your reply. Whereas live, they find out things in real time. That's what I absolutely love about TikTok Shop. Next is the coupons. Now, I'm not gonna lie guys, I was kind of startled when I saw this and I was very upset and confused until I found out that it doesn't actually affect you. So I did my live stream and I got quite a few orders in that first ever live. And when I went to look at the revenue and the sales that had come through, I noticed that a few customers gained this kind of coupon code from TikTok and they got 50% off the order. And I did not budget for anyone getting 50% off these prices because this is just old stock that I'm trying to get rid of. But to be selling it at 50% off, I was not quite happy about that. But then when I did some digging, I found out that TikTok actually give their customers coupons that don't affect the seller. So I will still get the full amount that I sold it at, but then the customer has paid less. It's crazy. So your customers are paying less, but you're getting paid the right amount. That is a pro from TikTok Shop. Next is the brand awareness and the way that you can really meet new, fresh people and get your brand out there to eyes that have never even heard about you or your product. I've been on live 3 times so far this week, and each time I have met new people coming into my life. And I'll tell you guys, I have gained over 40 followers just from going live, whereas before we were only gaining a few followers every single week. But 40 followers from 3 live streams is amazing for us as an account. So I just feel like if you are trying to grow your following, if you're trying to engage with new people, get some more brand awareness, TikTok Shop is the perfect way to do that. Now let's look at the cons and why Shopify may be better for you than TikTok Shop. The fees. I'm going to put here on the screen what the current fees are as I'm making and putting out this video. So you have to factor that into your pricing and know that even though you don't pay a monthly fee for TikTok Shop, they are taking 5% of your revenue every single time you make an order. Next is the payouts. Now with Shopify, what I love about Shopify is you can choose to have your payouts come every single day, once a week, once a month. And I used to get mine come out every single day just because my cash flow was so crazy. I was buying things every day for my business and bills were coming out left, right and center. Whereas with TikTok Shop UK, they pay out up to 14 days after your order gets to your customer, which as a small business is very tricky because I know for me, I was relaunching from scratch, so I don't have any funding. So I only had a very small fund to be able to cover the shipping fees of the people that had ordered from me from TikTok Shop, because I don't have their money that they've paid to put towards the shipping. I have to use my own money. And then when TikTok Shop decides to pay out, then I will, make up for that. Do keep that in mind. If you are starting from scratch, you do need to have some kind of emergency fund, some kind of fund there to cover your shipping costs until you get that first payout. And that could be 14 to 20 days, maybe even after you make that sale. The next thing, and this slyly put me off TikTok Shop altogether, I'm not gonna lie guys, until I found a solution, but it is a very huge con for me, and that is the fact that you cannot gather your customers' email addresses. Now, if you go viral on TikTok Shop and you get, I don't know, thousands of orders, That's thousands of people you can never market to again. Whereas on Shopify, you have them customers' email addresses. Like, you can market to them again. You could tell them, hey, thank you for shopping for us. Here's another discount. Come back again. Target them again and again and again. TikTok shop, they buy from you. That's it. Bye. I don't even think you get their TikTok username. It's just their name and their mobile number and their address. And you cannot use their mobile number to sign them up to SMS marketing. But I did earlier think of a solution for this. This is where messaging within your packaging is very, very important. So you want to make sure any order that you send via TikTok shop, you put in a thank you card or some kind of incentive to get them to hop onto your website and sign up for your mailing list. So this is where I feel like having Shopify and TikTok shop is your best option. So what they can do is they get their package from TikTok shop, open it, they can get 10% off their next order if they sign up to your website. So that kind of brings them from TikTok shop to your mailing list. Now guys, we're nearly at the end. I only have 2 more cons that I don't like about TikTok shop. And the next one is that you don't get to see in real time who's on your website, who's shopping, who's checking out, who has abandoned cart. And I really love that about Shopify because it makes you feel more accomplished for your hard work. Like if you do a launch, it's so nice to see that people have gone to your website like straight away. You can see the impact that you're making. Even when I was going live and I was making sales on TikTok shop, I didn't see that I had made sales until the end. There's no kind of like on-screen pop-up or notification to say you've got a sale. It simply is done via another app, which is the Seller Central app. And that app seems to be delayed. And there's no like ka-ching sound that I really like from Shopify. So that part I don't like about TikTok shop. The next thing that is not great about TikTok shop as well is the fact that in your live streams, you can't say certain things. You cannot say Instagram, Facebook, any competitors' names because they will shadow ban you. You cannot tell your viewers to go to your website. I've watched a lot of people say go to the Webiana, or they say like little code words for going to your website because you are not allowed to refer your viewers to come off of TikTok shop and shop via your website. So that I don't like about TikTok. It feels kind of shady. So I don't like that about TikTok shop at all. So guys, my conclusion is that I feel like you need your Shopify store as your base, but you also need to get with the times and get TikTok shop. If you're going to be on any kind of live selling stream platform, I would recommend TikTok's one. So I think it goes hand in hand and you should do both. But Shopify has to be your home base. You need to have a website and somewhere where you can collect customers' information. The thing is, if TikTok or any of these social media platforms are banned or get taken down tomorrow and you only sold on that platform, your whole business is gone and you have no way to communicate your TikTok shop customers. Whereas with Shopify, you have those customers. You can actually take out and export their email addresses, the ones that have signed up to your mailing list. So it's way more secure than actually TikTok shop. Also, you are going to be found on your Shopify store on Google. I don't know if TikTok shops get found within Google search. I don't think that's a thing. Websites, of course, are going to come up higher on your Google search results. Definitely grab yourself a Shopify store. I do have the link for that down below for a free trial. Check it out. And I will also leave a link to my Shopify playlist, guys, that has all of the instructions, how to set it up, what the pros and cons are, the different apps that you should download, and more. So if you do want to hear more about my TikTok shop journey, definitely subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing the whole journey with you guys to see how it works. And of course, my relaunching my website and Shopify store journey. So thank you guys. If you got to the end of this video, I wish you all the best on your e-commerce journey, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.